Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, I'm going to go over the latest analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, today I am feeling a little bit under the weather, so my voice might sound a little bit weird. And also, I do have a little bit of a cough. So I do apologize if I cough during the video, and hopefully it won't turn into anything serious. But today, we have been consolidating a little bit sideways, as you can see right here. And we actually did break through this trend line that we were talking about yesterday. And we did drop back down here to the bottom of our blue channel that we did draw out the other day. And currently it looks like we did form another little tiny rising wedge right here. And right now it is breaking bearish out of here. If this does fully play out, we'll be looking for a target down here at the bottom, excuse me, around this channel right here. And also at the very bottom right here, that would be our final target. That is around the 34.15 area. All right, in the last couple of videos, we were talking about how it possibly formed a pennant pattern. Let me zoom out to the hourly chart. All right, so currently over on our hourly chart, we do have this potential pennant pattern right here. That is right here in blue. And I was talking about yesterday how we had we did have about 4 touch points or 3 touch points up here. So this was a valid trend line. And yesterday I was talking about how we had 1 touch point here, 1 or 2 right there. And I was looking for a 3rd touch point up here. So we did get that one today. So this is a now a valid trend line. And as you see, we did break through that. We could potentially, if this happens to play out to the bearish side all the way down, this could be a bearish pennant right here. So we're coming all the way down into this pennant pattern and going this way. So of course, more than likely, as always, we would break bearish out of here, which is what looks like what we are doing right now. So we can actually grab a target if this were to fully play out. Again, this might not fully play out. We'll have to see though. All right, so we'll grab it from the top of our pennant pattern and down to the largest area right here, down to that trend line, and pull this out to our breakout area. And so we broke out right about there. All right, so if this does happen to fully play out, this would be kind of bearish because we'd be breaking this major trend, this major level support right here. But of course, we do have a lot more behind it. Let me show you what that looks like right here. All right, let me drag this over a little more. All right, so again, we do have this major level support right here that is in pink right here. And that is the top of this major level support. Again, we do have all this support right here in this ascending triangle that we had before we broke out. This will act as a major level support. So if we do break through it, we might chop through here a little bit and consolidate. And maybe, again, we could just go in this area somewhere right there. If it does fully play out and we do break all the way through here, this again would be very bearish. Our next target would be all the way down here. That would be this line around the 1810. I personally don't think that would happen unless we have a very bearish sentiment in the market. If everyone starts panic selling, that could be a possibility, but at this moment, I don't see that happening. So let's go back over here. All right, so the next areas we want to look at for support. Again, I do think we'll probably break down through here a little bit. If we do break this area, we'll be coming back down, possibly to retest this this rising wedge that we had playing out the other day. All right, so again, I was talking about how we had possibly formed another rising wedge right here, and we have not met that target yet. So if we do meet that target, that would be down here. That right now is around the 3275 area, if that does fully play out. And again, we do have this next level of support all the way through here in this channel. So we could come back down and retest anywhere from the 3212 all the way down to the bottom of our support around the 2958. And again, if we don't hold that, I would be looking for this target to fully play out if that does happen. Again, we do have 1 touch already here on our major level support. So I would be hoping maybe we come back down here and get a second, maybe a double bottom, and hopefully consolidate and head to the upside. But that's down the road. We'll have to see how that does play out. All right, and let's head over to our 15-minute chart. All right, let me grab a drink of water really quick. All right, so again, over on our 15-minute chart, let's go over to our RSI. Let me drag this up a little more. All right, drag this up. All right, can't get it to come up right there, but we'll have to see how this just go this way. All right, so again, we are currently right around the 44 area right here. On our 15-minute chart, our stochastic is starting to point downward. This is where I think our rising wedge will fully play out to right around this area up here. I think we'll be getting another touch right here around the 34.46 area. All right, over here on our hourly chart. All right, over on our hourly chart, we are sitting right around, we did come all the way back down into our oversold territory. We are heading back up right now. We are right around the 33 area. Stochastic did come all the way down and correct as well. We are heading back up right now. Looks like we are pointing a little bit to the downside. If we do break this major level of support, I do think we'll be coming back down here to retest this pink level of support. Again, that is right around the 32.12 area. And we just probably consolidate a little bit here and then get a breakout. And over here on our 4-hourly chart. All right, our 4-hourly is, excuse me, our 4-hourly is looking pretty good as well. We are around the 39 area. Stochastic did come all the way down, which is a good bullish sign. We are slowly heading back up right now. So we'll have to see over the next maybe 4 to 12 hours. We'll have to see if we can get right back up here and start our next run. We do have the potential of if we can hold this level of support around this blue area, then that would be a good bullish sign, and maybe consolidate and head break up through that again. But again, if we do break this area, we will be coming back down to this pink level, I do believe. And over here on our daily chart. All right, our daily is looking good. We are around the 39. And also the stochastic has come all the way down. We are trending sideways right now. So we'll have to see how this does play out. But next couple of days, I think we could just probably consolidate right here a little bit and then get a breakout in another couple of days. All right, let's head over to our daily chart and see how our candles are looking. All right. So currently on our daily chart, we are making a actually right now we did close about 30 minutes ago. We did close a little bit below this last candle right here. We'll have to see if we can get above this and maybe consolidate. If not, we did close actually we're a tad bit above the other one. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, so yesterday's candle was down here. That's where the doji was. So we are a little bit above that. We are almost level right where we are right now, which is a good bullish sign. Maybe potentially we could consolidate right here a little bit and then hopefully get a breakout. We'll have to see how this does play out. Let's get back over to our 15-minute chart. All right, so currently we are getting a little bit of a bounce right here. So we'll have to see again how this does play out. We do need to break this level of support right here, this trend line right there, if we want to get back to the upside. Again, we could potentially come all the way up here, maybe retest this line right here, or maybe even up here. If we can't break through here, obviously, then we'll come back down again and probably retest the bottom anywhere from right here around the 34.40 area down to the 34.16 area. All right, but that's just a quick update for today for what I'm seeing on our chart. I will try to keep you guys updated in the next video tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a good evening. And please make sure you do like and subscribe as always, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'll see you next video, and have a good evening, and thanks.